are the ingredients, you would need plain flour, caster sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, eggs, milk, vegetable oil or any oil you have, and vanilla extract and boiling water. And for the chocolate icing, you need chocolate, plain chocolate, and double cream. I'll list everything down in the description bar and with all the measurements and stuff. So I'm using my measuring jugs to measure all the ingredients. So in here I'm putting my plain flour. So your measurements needs to be accurate for this cake if you want it to come out so nice and moist. And obviously you need a mixing bowl. That's my mixing bowl in front of me. So yes, make sure you do the measurements correctly. As you can see, I'm measuring 12.5 ounces of sugar. So it says caster sugar, but I just use normal sugar. You can use normal sugar if that's what you have. And in here, I've put all the ingredients in my mixing bowl and adding my hot water. And then you're going to go ahead and mix everything together. I'm using an electric mixer, but you can use just a normal whisk if that's what you have. And make sure you mix everything together. So as you can see, everything is nicely mixed together, and this is what you want to see when you put everything in the mixing bowl and mix together. So now we're going to go ahead and put them in our baking tins or trays, whatever you want to call them. So now I'm spreading the butter all over the baking tins so that when the cake is cooked, you can easily take it out without sticking on the pan. So you're going to go ahead and use your brush and then make sure you put butter all over the tin. And also I've got this olive oil spray that I'm going to spray all over it as well. And then now we're going to go ahead and pour our mixture into both tins. So make sure you pour equal amounts on both tins so that when it's cooked and you want to like layer it up, it will be perfect. So that's it, and that's your cake done. Well, not really, because you're going to have to put it in the oven next and then let it cook for about 35 minutes and it should be done. And after that you will take it out, leave it out to cool down for about maybe 1 to 2 hours. And here you can see it's very nicely cooked, moist, it's not dry. And in this one you can see it's got a hole, because that's when I was checking whether it was cooked, so I made a hole. But it's fine because that's going to be underneath and the perfect one is going to be on top. And over here we're going to go ahead and cook our chocolate icing. So I've got dark chocolate here. I'm going to break it into pieces. And then we have milk chocolate. Again, you break it into pieces, and then after you would add your double cream and then just keep stirring it until the chocolate melts, and then you just switch it off and then mix all together and let it cool down for about 1 to 2 hours until it thickens. And then yeah, that's your cake done. Here you have your chocolate icing well mixed together. It tastes like heaven, guys. So nice. So we're going to leave it to cool down, and now everything is cooled down. So we're going to just use our chocolate icing to just decorate our cake and then put it all nicely together. So now the cake is done, so you're just gonna add your finishing touches. So I'm just adding like chocolate sprinkles, and yeah, just make it look pretty. So you can add anything you have on top of it just to make it look pretty, and then put it aside, ready to serve. And this cake can last you up to 3 days if you keep it in the fridge. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring, so please share.